Some interesting things about the Maleo bird. The Maleo bird has a unique body shape, with black and white feathers, and a red crown on its head. Maleo birds have strong and sturdy legs, which are used for digging holes and making nests. The Maleo bird has a distinctive sound, namely a loud and repetitive boom sound. Habitat and food. Maleo birds live in tropical and subtropical rainforests in Indonesia, especially in Sulawesi. Maleo birds eat various types of insects, such as butterflies, moths, and beetles. Maleo birds drink water from clear water sources, such as rivers and lakes. Reproduction and lifespan. Maleo birds make unique nests, namely holes dug in the ground with strong feet. Maleo birds lay 2 to 3 eggs per season, and the eggs are incubated by the female for about 2 weeks. Maleo birds can live up to 10 to 15 years in the wild.